Hi, my name is Kevin Nguyen. I'm a product line manager in the battery and consumer power business unit here at ADI. One of the main target customers for a lot of our devices and ICs is for these TWS hearables, wearables, smartwatches, smart ring applications. And one of the things that they're facing is, they want to make these things smaller and smaller, right? But they also want to add more and more features to the application. So, how can we go ahead and help them with this? We can actually help by reducing the power management blocks in their system. So one of the ways we've been able to achieve that is with our Simo PMic. Simo basically stands for single inductor, multiple output. Typically for DC-DC converters, you need one inductor for every single output. But for our devices, we actually are able to require only a single inductor for multiple outputs, 3 or 4 outputs. So in our latest device, the MAX77659, we're actually able to integrate these 3 outputs with an LDO and also a switching charger, right? This is something that got ADI the Big Innovation Award for 2022. So in this demo that I'm gonna show here, it's basically simulating what happens when you charge an earbud, right? So the solution on the top is basically our solution, the 77659, with a switching charger integrated, and we're going to compare it to a traditional linear charger on the bottom, right? So when I press the 2 buttons on the evaluation board here, it's basically going to charge both of these earbuds simultaneously at full speed, 275 milliamps. And what you're going to notice is that because our IC actually is able to achieve much higher efficiency than the linear charger, right? The one on the bottom, the linear charger, actually heats up significantly more and faster than our switching charger solution on the top. So what happens when this linear charger on the bottom actually heats up to a certain Jada temperature threshold, it actually has to reduce the charging current for this device. So instead of the full 275 milliamps that you think you're charging your device, you're actually only charging at 75 milliamps, a fraction of what you're thinking you're charging, because it actually has to cool the chip down to actually function properly, right? Whereas our device, we're actually able to pump the full 275 milliamp charging for the entire duration until the device is completely charged. So this is one way that ADI is able to offer faster charging for applications such as TWS, hearables, wearables, smartwatches, smart ring devices, and smart glasses as well. So this isn't specifically only for TWS hearables and earbuds that you see in the demo here, but this is for all these consumer applications that have a really small space constraint. So MAX77659 is able to offer a much better performance, faster charging, and also a much smaller solution size, about 50% smaller than the leading competition for this kind of functionality, right? So for more information, please go to analog.com. Thank you for watching.